I had a conversation with a man, a Yoruba man, and a Christian. I asked him to share his thoughts with me concerning the acceptance of Yoruba religion as our own God-given religion, most especially why a large numbers of Yorubas in Yoruba land reject our Yoruba religion and spirituality. He replied with a simple sentence. He said, "Because they are wicked." I began to be curious to know what he meant and wanted to interview him on this channel. But he rejected the offer and didn't even explain further what he meant by what he said as a reply to my question. So, as a matter of fact, I understand what he meant by the word because they are wicked. So, in this video, I will try as much as possible to share my view with you on this impression, which is the impression of the majority of Yorubas who reject the faith, right? So first of all, you will agree with me that we humans evolve, and going by the theory of evolution and what evolution means, we have been learning from our mistakes, right? I think you know what I mean by that. Our ancestors, our ancestors were not civilized as much as we are in our present age. I think you understand what I mean. Even though in all stages of humans evolution, so to speak, there is a civilization. There is a civilization. But in our present generation, we have gotten to a more advanced stage than our ancestors. So there was a stage of ignorance. And I can tell you that not only in Africa, we had a stage of ignorance in the past. So a stage of ignorance where everyone used to behave as they wanted. It was a stage of survival of the fittest. Now, the concept of what Yoruba religion is all about is from Ifa. And this is why some call it Ifa religion. So now, if you are familiar, right? If you are familiar with the message of Ifa, they are all messages of wisdom and knowledge on how to be guided on earth. Ifa was revealed by Oromila to correct the ignorance of the people, right? Ifa do not teach evil. Ifa do not destroy. Ifa do not cast spell. Ifa speaks and teaches wisdom and knowledge. So Babalawos are known as a priest in Yoruba religion. They are who the followers of Yoruba religion follow, right? Acquiring powers in any means that is known to whoever seek for such to do evil has nothing to do with Yoruba religion. So the main reason why a large number of Yoruba rejects Yoruba religion, as far as I'm concerned, is because of what the pioneers of this religion, of these foreign religions, so to speak, planted, right? Planted in their minds against our religion, against the Yoruba religion, and the mindset is being transferred to their children, leading to the rejection we are experiencing now. All that Yoruba religion needs is organization and education to prove them wrong, right? Thanks for watching.